Few disciplines have inspired generations as much as aerospace engineering. Today, aerospace engineers are helping us reach the outer edges of our universe while helping to improve our lives on Earth. The Department of Aerospace Engineering at Texas A&M University is leading the next generation of Aggies to create technological advances that will shape the 21st century and beyond.
You're going to be a student for 4 years, but what you do after this is your career. And if you really love what you're doing, it's not even a job. And I love aerospace engineering, I love this department, and I love what I've learned. It's not only fascinating, but I feel like I'm going to be able to contribute to society in an incredible way.
It's an applied science where we take everything that we know about fluids and materials, and we make a heavy hunk of metal full of flammable liquid hurtling through the air into one of the safest forms of transportation that has ever been known to man.
We are one of the top aerospace engineering programs in the country, providing unique, cutting-edge educational and research opportunities for more than 75 years, including space exploration, air transportation, national defense, communications, and sustainable energy.
The thing I enjoy most about the Aerospace Engineering Department here at Texas A&M is Aggie Sat Lab, where I work. It gives undergraduate and graduate students an opportunity like nowhere else or any other university in the United States. We get to work on actual spacecraft and space missions in conjunction with NASA and other partners.
We have flight simulators, we have world-renowned faculty and international competitions, and anything that you could possibly want to do, it's there. You just have to go for it.
In the Department of Aerospace Engineering, state-of-the-art technologies are applied every day in our world-class labs and centers. Students from around the world choose to learn from and work with our award-winning distinguished faculty who are dedicated to student success.
As graduate students, we work hard, but we see our professors delight in our success and our progress, and this is very motivating and this is very inspirational.
What I love about the Aerospace Engineering Department is that you get to build and fly your own planes or build and fly your own rockets. And that's a pretty amazing opportunity to have as an undergraduate.
Being an international student, I didn't originally have the opportunity to study aerospace engineering. So I studied physics and astronomy, and then I applied to the US to study aerospace engineering, and I picked Texas A&M.
Our students have won numerous airplane and design competitions and lead the nation in the number of Sigma Gamma Tau National Aerospace Honor Society national winners. Aerospace engineering offers numerous opportunities in a variety of industries, from working on future spacecraft and satellites to UAVs and aircraft. In addition, graduates can choose to work on the next generation of ground transportation, including boats, trains, and cars, as well as pursuing careers in robotics or software.
I think someone considering aerospace engineering should really know that by choosing it, you're not necessarily limiting yourself to designing airplanes. I have friends who work on designing spacecraft and others who've gone into totally different industries and build electronic systems or help design cars or even work in petroleum engineering.
If you come to Texas A&M University to study aerospace engineering, you can go anywhere with it. But you have to advocate for yourself and be ambitious. But if you do that, the opportunities are endless.
Our alumni are highly sought after by recruiters and include astronauts, lead engineers on commercial and military aerospace systems, as well as owners and CEOs of companies.
6 days after I graduated, I moved to Mojave, California to work for Scaled Composites, and I've been there 9 years and have done 6 new airplanes. I did the mothership for the Virgin Galactic program, and then now I'm in charge of the wing for Paul Allen Stratolaunch, which will be the world's largest airplane. The thing I remember about being at A&M was being up late in the computer lab, studying real hard with my buddies, and it's the same thing at work. There's always a deadline, there's always a crisis, and we kind of get to be heroes together. And we get to play with giant, awesome airplanes.
If you're thinking about aerospace engineering, Texas A&M is the place to be for this. There's opportunities here. We will help you. We will support you. There's a lot of places you can get a degree, but it's second to none to what you will get at Texas A&M in aerospace engineering.
Reach for the future. Choose aerospace engineering.